Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some nice conditions across the region this morning, much more pleasant than we've seen the last 24 hours or so. Saw some activity move north of the region yesterday, so missed Wallops last night with some strong thunderstorms in central Delmarva. But overall, for Wallops, we didn't really see much activity as that thunderstorm complex moved just north of the area. Today we're going to see good conditions in general, no real chances of precipitation or lightning, a minimal chance, or a very minimal chance this morning of a sprinkle, less than 10% chance. And then this afternoon we'll see some breezier northwesterly winds, possibly gusting as high as 25 knots. So could see a wind advisory this afternoon, but overall much more tranquil conditions for today than we saw yesterday across the region. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 15,000 feet, winds out of the west and low levels and fairly strong, around 25 knots, and seeing our winds increase out of the southwest up to 42 knots at 12,000 feet, and continuing to increase up to 60 knots out of the southwest at 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this cold front going to move through this morning. That's going to allow us to see our winds become slightly breezy in the afternoon hours today out of the northwest, ushering in a much drier air across the region. Dew point should fall back in the 60s, possibly upper 50s for this afternoon. So feeling much more comfortable across the region for the afternoon hours today. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a little bit of cumulus cloud development off to our west and over the area as well. A few light sprinkles possible associated with these cumulus clouds, but not expecting any heavy precipitation or any precipitation at all across the region, just a possibility of a sprinkle this morning. So moving the afternoon hours, should see skies clear out fairly nicely with partly cloudy, mostly sunny skies for this afternoon and some good conditions across the region. Taking a look at the European model for the next few days, you can see today, no real chances of precipitation. Into tomorrow, going to see high pressure build in, and then for Thursday, going to see an area low pressure move through the region, giving us good chances of some rainfall across the area as well as some thunderstorms. And for Friday, looks like we clear out across the area, seeing high pressure build in, and a nice day on Friday. We'll see a warming trend, however, for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as an area high pressure builds off the southeast coast or Rabuna High. That's going to give us some hot conditions and humid weather as well for Saturday and Sunday. Slight chances of evening thunderstorms on both days, as we'll have that instability across the region, weak disturbances moving through or lee trough off the Appalachians, possibly giving us a shower thunderstorm late in the day, but most likely not going to see that. And then for early next week, looks like could see another system move into the Great Lakes, giving us a chance of a shower thunderstorm late Monday, but right now models are very inconsistent on the placement of the area low pressure. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, high around 86 degrees today, low around 70. We'll see those northwesterly winds 11 to 16 knots this afternoon, gusting to 25 knots. So have an orange for our winds over or greater than 25 knots. Light winds overnight out of the west and northwest, and seeing those relative humidity values this afternoon drop down to near 40%. So the dew point's going to drop as well. So much more comfortable weather across the region for the afternoon hours. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, that slight chance of sprinkle this morning, but otherwise going to see VFR conditions for the afternoon hours, possibly seeing a ceiling around 4,000 feet for the afternoon, early afternoon, then seeing some mostly sunny skies after 1400 local, and clear skies expected overnight. Our tides are currently running normal, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy and seasonable, high of 86. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy and more humid. Very slight chance of a shower late, low of 73. And for Thursday, mostly cloudy, with showers and thunderstorms likely by early afternoon, breezy and humid, high 85 degrees. So next 7 days, looking at those partly cloudy conditions for both today and tomorrow, highs at 86. A little bit more humid tomorrow than it will be this afternoon. And for Thursday, showers and thunderstorms likely as it appears right now. Chances around 70%, high in the mid-80s. And then we go into a warming trend for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Bermuda high taking shape. Slight chances of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday and Sunday during the evening hours. But we'll see those highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s for Friday through Monday. Looks like we're going to see heat in the seas near 100 degrees or just over 100 degrees for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as the humidity across the region increases as well. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. And back tomorrow morning at 10 a.m.